of frequent item sets, that is through closed frequent item set. Two methods are closed frequent item sets and maximal frequent item sets. Hope I'm audible and video is PPTs are also visible. Confirm. Okay.
200 to the 200 okay. ले ला पर मैसेज तुझ पढ़ूंगे.
Shreya. Okay. So we discussed one problem as well, where we were able to find few maximal frequent item sets and item set which is closed and maximal, isn't it? So what does that conclude? That concludes that we can have frequent item sets which form a subset of that. Okay. So finally, we can say that all maximal frequent set item sets are closed because none of the maximal frequent set items can have the same support count as their immediate supersets. And we saw the relationship also. Problem we have discussed. So it was without problem, it becomes difficult to understand that. So we have just checked. So in case, this is how it is defined. So a maximal frequent set item set is defined as a frequent item set for which none of its immediate supersets are frequent. And an item set X is closed if none of its immediate supersets has exactly the same support count as X. Right? Now let's see the alternative methods for generating these frequent item sets. Which are the different alternative methods? So a priori is one of the earliest algorithms and which has successfully addressed the combinatorial explosion of frequent item set generation. So we apply a priori principle, even though if there is improvement in the performance, the algorithm still has an overhead, IO overhead, as it has to pass through several